Okay, this is Sterling, Alaska. I'm staying at Chris and Brett and Mike's place. And Linda was nice enough to let me stay here in her camper. I had a wonderful time. We went to Homer yesterday. I got some great salmon fishing in. I'm actually finishing up with my last canning, and I thought maybe I should get some nice footage of the area here. They have moose and bear come through this area. It's just a gorgeous place. What I did is I went up. I was hoping to see Mount Redoubt, but I think it's too far. But this is the mountains when you look up towards Cooper Landing and Ski Lac Lake. And I just tried to get some footage of the area here. I think I do a 360 and then maybe zoom in a little more for the mountains. And then I go on over to the river, the Kenai River, take a look at that, and then I come back. But they've had some timely rain. They had record snow this year. Right here, I'm trying to see if I can see the mountains. We'll see if I zoom in. I did go up to 100 feet and then see if that helped. I was originally at about 60. Here we're looking again towards the mountains. That's where the highway goes, the Sterling Highway that heads up to Cooper Landing and on to Anchorage. Looks like I zoomed in now. There was a huge fire up there by Ski Lac in 19. That's what drove me out of here. I came for 2 months and I only stayed, 3 weeks or so. Here I'm headed towards what I believe is the Kenai River. Maybe it's a lake, but I know the Kenai River is right over here. So I come up here and then I see it swinging left, but I don't see it going right. So possibly this is a lake just before the Kenai River. It might be an offshoot of the Kenai. But I know, see that road there? If you follow that road, it does dump right into the Kenai River. So it's either an offshoot or it is part of it. I'm guessing it's part of it. But so here I'm just looking around. I did utilize my little compass that's on my drone this time to point myself back. Because in Florida I was getting lost. So here I'm just bringing myself back now. I'm looking at the compass right now and seeing how to adjust to get back. I think I hear it now, so I'm bringing it down. Beautiful area. It was nice. It wasn't restricted, so that made it so nice just to get some great footage. Thank you again to Linda, Mike, Brett, and Chris for allowing me to stay here. Of course, go Dogs. I've been having fun playing pickleball here also when I haven't been fishing. Next year, I hope to do the trip out to Dutch Harbor. It's a separate ferry trip. So, and I will bring a freezer because I really would like to take some fillets home. I probably end up with 7, 8 cases, so that's not